All right, here we go. Blizzard day, or second day blizzard. Look at my truck, completely covered now in snow. Look at how thick this was that I had to open just to get through this gate. Look at that now. Truck's completely covered. Nothing but snow white everywhere. I'm gonna walk, try to get to the street, show you just how thick this is. Oh, my legs are getting cold. Whew. Look at this. Now. Oh my goodness. This street is just covered. It's a huge blanket. This huge blanket of snow, look at that. That's a winter wonderland. Yep. A lot of work. Dig out of this. Look at the roof, so thick. My truck is completely covered. Yeah.